Regarding what's to come, of course there are several aspects to talk about. So first, we believe, and we're almost sure, that the judges will indeed investigate on the death of the Mongolian translators. So not like investigate, because 2 people have already been sentenced to death for this, but at least obtain communication of the case in Malaysia to actually put it in their files. Then there are different acts that should be happening. We cannot say that it will happen soon. We don't know how long it's going to take because their evidence are needed, but we obviously believe that at some point an international regulatory commission would probably be issued to Malaysia. The issue being, of course, that we have zero certainty on the cooperation. So this will be something that we'll have to wait and see.
Can you repeat?
Regulatory commission. Regulatory commission, Commission Rogatoire Internationale, I don't know if you have it.
Regulatory commission.
International Regulatory Commission.
Rogatory. Yeah.
Question
It's like, yeah, you ask the other state to actually, you ask them to give you certain files and to help you in your investigation to another country.
What they call this?
Sorry,
what is it called? The cooperation that you receive from other countries.
Yeah, it's like asking cooperation.
Mutual assistance.
So obviously, yes, exactly. Exactly. So obviously, well, there are other countries that will probably receive such cooperation demands, but obviously it would be very interesting that one is sent to Malaysia, and we can only hope that they will completely cooperate on this. Then regarding, I don't know if Suaram already mentioned it, but they actually asked for a few witnesses. They gave a list of witnesses that they would like the judge to hear. Some of them obviously are the 2 main witnesses, so I'm sorry, I'm going to try to say it right. So there's of course Abdul Razak Baginda and Najib and Razak, the Prime Minister. It's complicated, they have the same name. Almost. So these are 2, of course, very important witnesses for now that we hope the judges will manage to interrogate. Of course, the complexity is that when you're on a witness statute, well, the judges can ask questions, but we have like zero certainty that they will actually show up. And we are not sure whether it's the type of situation you actually force them to come. So, of course, when they will be subpoenaed, that will be very interesting to see their reaction. So, regarding, sorry. So those 2, also, yeah, I wanted to talk about the fact that if, for instance, the Prime Minister or Abdul Razak are convoked by the judge and they don't show up, you have to bear in mind that there is still a possibility for the judges to issue, if they have sufficient evidence, an arrest warrant. This is something that we've seen recently at the firm in the ill-gotten assets case, where Mr. Kuang didn't show up before the judges in Paris, and there is an arrest warrant. They issued an arrest warrant, who has been spread by Interpol. So this could definitely happen again in the Suaram case, as long, of course, as the judges have enough evidence to issue that kind of warrant, so enough evidence to at least indict them. But this is something that that has to be said, and there is no complete immunity for those people, and they could respond before the justice for what they could have done, or at least be convoked and explain themselves before the judges.